People are just like yelling at me to start the stream, even though it has a scheduled starting point. They're like, start now! I'm not mad at all. It's just kind of funny to me. I haven't worked on this in a while, have I? Stop. Stop. I haven't worked on this game in a while. We're going to be transitioning out of Data Store 2 today. I think the most fun thing we've ever done on the stream was build this island. Let's go ahead and give a refresher to the people that don't know what we've done. Ignore the rocks. We've gone ahead and we've coded training zones. We've coded NPC dialogue-ish, not really. We need to work on that more. We've coded tokens, we've coded multipliers, we've coded stats, we've coded fireballs, flight's temporary, it's just a free model script, so not really. Bullet punch, and we've coded, endurance giving HP. We've done some other stuff. We've also gone ahead and built this snowy island. This is the 100,000 body toughness zone. Stop spamming or you're... Some people just want to watch the world burn, and then they burn. So yeah, we've actually organized the place pretty well. I kind of want to group this, put it into a folder, but I'm too scared because I don't want to crash it. So yeah, we've also made the Sky Island, which you have to fly up to instead of just like a thing on top of the tornado. You fly up here onto this little sky dock, and then you can go around this area, and these should not stop spamming or I muted your face. There we go. We should probably ununion these because unions have proven to not work very well. So we're just gonna do that. Why are people saying E? If Moises, you can mute them if they spam too much. And then we have the Crystal Island thing, and then we have this guy, Sky Guy. Yeah, we have a 100 psychic training zone because otherwise you have to until you could fly in the main game, which is like 10k psychic, which is unfair towards psychic starters. Compared to just needing like no fist strength to train at the rock, or only needing 100 endurance to train over here. So that's gone ahead and been changed. There we go, everyone. Those are most of the things we've done. We also have psychic training zones. Wait, no, we have used one. So yeah, what we're going to be doing today is not using Data Store 2. Should we get some music? We should totally get some music. Let me open my stream music playlist. I don't have it bookmarked. That's dumb. Let me get my stream music playlist. There we go. Oh no, YouTube's dying. No, it's not my fault. I know it because I've done all of the changes necessary to make it run smoothly, and it does run smoothly usually. So let's just hope that YouTube patches it. Yeah, this music's good. We just bullied someone in chat. I'm sorry, Jake, but I'm not gonna call anyone on the stream unless they're like a Splits players. we can get like their opinions and stuff, but like I've contacted some leaderboard people and I showed them footage of the game and they were like, oh, it's just an older version of Sputs. But wait, why is the sky pretty? Oh. Alright, so let's go ahead. We need to do some organizing and stuff. I mean, we have an NPCs folder, but that's a decent organization. But we're gonna go ahead and make ourselves a modules folder for replicated storage. Not sure why the heck the text thing is set server side. That's kind of stupid. We gotta change that. And then we gotta make, we'll make this module later, but we're gonna name this, training module, and then this is the training text. Yes, training. The main screen is so small? I see where you're coming from. I mean, I could do like that, and then I'd have to manually add the color black, but, you know what, whatever. Oh, color sources exist. That's convenient. Now I can put this only above the background and below everything else. And we can expand it. There you go. Is that better? I actually didn't mute them. That was Moises, because Moises is epic. At least be mod, like that's just like a common thing. What do you mean no data? Eh? I have a streaming software. Sorry if it's lagging, by the way. YouTube seems to be having problems. Let me check. Oh, I have a lot of tabs open. Let me close some of those. I suppose that could help. Yeah, YouTube's having problem reports. That's great. Oh, hey, YouTube's back. I closed tabs. That might work. When is the Survivalists releasing? You can actually now play the classic version. That was F4. So if you guys want to just go play that, you can. There's been some changes since the last time because we were still technically working on that. But now we're working on a revamp to make the code easier to use. Why mods don't have the ability to mute? They do. It's called timeout. Oh, you mean unmute? It automatically does it after 5 minutes. I feel like, what do you guys think of this music? I can't tell if I like it. I mean, like, I like it. It's just, I don't know if I particularly think it fits the stream. Oh my goodness, YouTube, why are you lagging? That makes no sense. Ugh. 5 minutes is a lot? Not really, I don't feel like. Yeah, all our skill code is fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and disable the saving, because we're not using Data Store 2 anymore, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut out Data Store 2. Now we need to edit these. We're gonna keep all of the animation scripts, we just don't need this. And we don't want Data Store 2, so we'll just Control-Shift-F Data Store 2. Because I've learned that there are more efficient methods than Data Store 2, so we'll go ahead and remove that. And layer stats tokens value. Let's see, walls 2.5 25. Well, no, it was 10 before, so we'll keep it as 10. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this because we need it for the tokens script. Oh, well. What is this script? Oh, this is the stat resetter script. Well, we're not gonna have saving, so that's not important. Well, we will have saving, but not for testing purposes. We're gonna not have saving while we're testing. Can I open these? What? I can't open them. Oh, yeah, because they're all deleted. We don't need any of these. We just want that. And then this was like our tons of tokens tester. So we're just going to do that. We don't have data store. We don't want data store 2. Because just honestly, it doesn't work the best for mass amounts of saving. If you have, oh, come on. No data? What do you mean? Okay, now it's back. That's strange. Please do survive the night in 2019. I could. I actually could. That's a good idea. It's just, it would be really hard to level up fast because the new versions are harder to level up fast. Like 2018, it's hard. Where new superpower training sim? I'm working on it. What do you mean lies? Huh? Huh? Is script not work? Excuse me, sir. What? What is giving this? Oh, that's the green brick. Well, what was giving 10? What is this? What? Are there 2? There's 2. Why are there 2? Oh, I hate that. That's so annoying. It's like Terraria music? I mean, yeah, actually, kinda. So yeah, we're just not gonna be using Data Store 2. We'll make saving later, but for now, we just kinda wanna work on the actual game, make it good. Let me stop playing music. Oh, I accidentally clicked on something else. Let me stop playing music and see if it's any better. Yeah, I wonder why you're so good. It's not like you can get infinite tokens or anything. Okay, we'll do the tools later, because we're gonna do that all at once. And then we just have, oh gosh, okay. We completely need to revamp the, menu. Yeah, I don't know why it lags. It's just YouTube's fault. There's literally nothing I can do about it. I'm doing everything good to make the stream work well, and it's just not. You have the best fireball? Wow, that's so hard to get it. That's not flex, considering you have infinite tokens. Oh, hey, it actually stopped lagging as much now. Oh, I just said that. That means I jinxed it. No. Pfft. But yeah, it seems a little better without running music. So we'll go ahead and not run music. Okay. That should be most Data Store 2 references removed, because it's just going to be more efficient to use actual tables, literal tables. Table saving isn't hard. You just literally do. I mean, yeah, you can play the game. It's just keep in mind your data won't save because it's still in development. And then we have this massive Data Store 2 low server-side script in GUI abomination. Yeah, we're gonna change that. We'll go ahead and disable these. We won't delete them because there's no point in deleting them. We might still use them. Okay, let's go ahead and make our training module. So we're gonna want local training module, and then training module. So do function training module. Cat McKay keyboard ASMR. And then it's just me coding. I mean, my keyboard does sound pretty great. I think... No, what do you mean, no data? I am literally streaming. Okay, it's back. YouTube seems to be having problems. So, I'm sorry if the stream kind of sucks. A function, training modules. Then we're gonna want to do... Then stat to train plus equals dot. So what are our variables called? I haven't worked on this in a hot minute. Probably in the server storage stats. Plus equals player dot dot stats. Why is YouTube lagging? Okay, this... I'm so sorry if the stream is lagging. It's YouTube's having errors. I'm sorry. I wish I could, like, give it more of my computer, but it just doesn't. It just doesn't let me. Like, I'm running it as an admin. It should be fine on for my computer. It's just YouTube doesn't like it. I could try using OBS instead of Streamlabs OBS later, but I have like all of my stuff set up in Streamlabs, so we'll try that for the next stream. But I don't know, man. Player dot stats, and then we're gonna want to do stat dot multiplier. That's probably good. Plus equals 1 times player dot stats stat multiplier. So wait, would you'd probably multiply the multipliers instead of adding the multipliers. Would you... Oh yeah, if you have a 0 times... Well, no, if you have a 10 times multiplier and then you hit a 10 times zone, you'd get 100. That's what we wanted to do. And then we're going to go ahead and do that. Then... Player.stats. This is going to be weird. Then we want stat... zone multiplier. This should mean that the only thing we need to pass in is stat, and then it does all of this automatically, as long as the stat exists. We could probably also automate our training zones, I feel like, using a module. I feel like that's a thing that could happen. I feel like the game might bug if you throw them a fireball at a training zone. I don't know, though. We were gonna have to change that, too. I mean, the logic for it is fine. We can just automate it, so... Yeah, we're gonna use module tables for that as well. That probably would train it, but then we also need to do local text module equals require game.replicate storage modules dot training text. I don't think I remember you. I'm sorry. I might, if you, like, describe what streams you were in. And then we just want to do training module, train stat, and then what variables does this thing need? Not training module, text module, show XP, player stat, stat gain. So instead of stat gain, we're going to want to pass in this function. Why is this not functioning? Have I earned any YouTuber rewards? No, they're at like 100 plus. 100,000 plus subscribers. Why is this not? That doesn't make any sense. There's a comma and stuff. Okay, whatever. We'll just make and local stat gain equals and then. Oh wait, no, duh. Of course it's not working. I'm stupid. Well, we get rid of this. Player.stats. Well, we need 1 times that, but and then this allows us to, if we ever want to change the base stat gain for some reason, we can literally in 2 places and then it's done. But while we're here, I want to go ahead and add a server storage folder called event multiplier. And then we're going to go ahead... No. We probably want to make this server data or something like that. We can change that later. But then we're going to want to add a number value. And we're going to have this usually be at 1. But this is going to be an event multiplier. So if you ever want to do like a 2 times event, we can. Do I hate save instance? I don't know what save instance is. It's probably useful for something. I don't know. I've never used it. Is it good? And then this. Oh, that has to be a number. We don't want to pass in a number. We want to pass in an actual stat. So this is going to be strength. And then we're just going to do that for all of these, but not have it be strength, have it be like endurance, psychic, you know, endurance, psychic. Wait, that's the wrong, why are there 2 toughness things? Why are there 2 toughness things? Hold up. Huh? Alright, so this would be... Yeah, of course it's loading. Oh, that downloads the client side of any Roblox game. That's annoying, but the client side is, like, not that dangerous to have. I mean, sure, you can get the map, but... and then this is endurance. Great, and then this is... psychic, and this is jump, and this is speed. I'm so sorry, everyone, that YouTube's breaking the stream. It's super annoying, but there's nothing I can do about it. Mr. Expellers, you're just gonna get muted again if you spam. Alright, there. We have our training module. And we have the text. And now we just... And that should be good, assuming YouTube worked. Seriously, it was so good at the start of the stream, and now YouTube just doesn't wanna... Literally, it's getting so much bandwidth. Why are there 36% dropped frames? No. Bruv. That's dumb, YouTube. Why? It literally should not be having these problems. Oh, that's dumb. It's incredibly stupid poop. Whatever. Hopefully it'll fix, because I can't do anything about it. And now there's... Oh! I said hopefully it'll fix, and it fixed. Hooray! At least for a moment. I could get some Doritos. I'm kind of hungry. We should get some Doritos in a moment. For now, though, does this just update every time? Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Look at this. It's going to be so much more efficient. That could be so much more efficient. So let's just go ahead and add to the stat training module. Then local player GUI equals player GUI. No Doritos. Oh man. No, we just want to do text equals, and then it should just be. Oh, well, stat text is just the stat, so. And then we want to do player GUI. Well, not dot player GUI. We already have that as a variable, so we don't need to do that. Brain! Player GUI stat dot. This whole thing's not gonna work the first time, and I know it, but and then we gotta do dot text equals. We need to automate this, so we need to do. Frick, we can't automate it because this is different than what the actual name is. Unless we're about to make a display names folder, which we aren't. Are we? Are we actually about to make a display names folder? You know what? Fine, we'll make a display names folder. Display names. And we just want to copy every stat. Speed, strength. We might need tokens later, but for now we won't worry about that. Well, tokens wouldn't have a display name. It never says tokens. What's my favorite part about making a game? Why do I have a Twitch? What? Is that what you're asking? Display names. We just want these to be like blank values. We don't want it to be. Wait, no, we want them to be string values, alright. An object converter, because that would be really convenient. String value. There is no such thing as an object converter, so we're going to have to go ahead and just do it manually. Strength. Psychic. Jump force. And speed. So we're going to want to go ahead and make this. What does it say, actually? It says body toughness. And then this says fist strength. Psychic is psychic power? Is it really in the main game? I thought it was psychic force, but whatever. This is literally the exact same thing, but with a space. And then we have movement speed, which, I mean, yeah. Studio looks blurry. That's YouTube. I genuinely can't do anything about it. YouTube only has started having these problems, like, really bad recently, so I'm not sure what's up with that. I mean, I guess guess quarantine started again, so more people are on YouTube. Well, it's not started again where I live, but it started again in some places. Stat.text equals game.server. This is unnecessarily overdone module, to be efficient, but it's fine. Server data.display names. Do we wanna put this whole thing in these? I don't know what you use for text brackets. Probably these, I think. Yeah, it is. Wait, is it? No, it's not. Okay, whatever. We won't worry about display name brackets later. For now, I don't think there is actually any. Stat.value. And then we're just gonna do stat.value. So this is just gonna automatically update whatever stat you're training. So unless we have other instances... Wait, no, we would always use this stat training module to give stats. So there's no point in automating the refresh. So that's good. Let's go ahead and disable this auto refresher because that's a bad idea to have that. Look at this optimal code. It's beautiful. It's a module of this. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna get some Doritos. I'll be right back.